How to reset Samsung Active Waterjet Washer. Okay, so we have the Samsung Active Waterjet Washer right here, top loader. And for some reason, if yours isn't spinning, the spin's not working, before you call a repairman or before you try to take it out and work on it, you should try to do this reset. It's basically a recalibration. It's going to recalibrate the spinning mechanism that is in your washer. Now, the first thing we want to do is go ahead and power on the washer. Hopefully yours looks like this. It looks like everything's working besides the spin. And there's going to be two buttons that we need to hold down. We have to hold down both of them at the exact same time. It's not like press one and then the other. We need to hold both at the same time. Those two buttons are going to be temp and delay end. Now I'm going to go ahead and hold down both of them right now. Okay, and then you're going to see this CB pop up. That means calibration. So as soon as you see that pop up, you want to go ahead and click start. And whenever you do that, the basket should start to spin a little bit. If you have water in there, it's going to try to drain that first, but eventually you'll see it start to spin and rotate, and it's going to go through a whole calibration process to hopefully get your washer back spinning for you.